So in this Fotor tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how you guys can add effects to your text here on Fotor. So once Fotor's opened up, I'm just going to go ahead here and just type in the word effects just for this video. I'll then make it a little bit larger so it's easier for you guys to see. So by default, there's no effects added, but if you want to go crazy, add some effects. It's very straightforward. Press on the text right here. Go to the top right, press on effects, and then open up this side of your screen. So a bunch of different ones you can do. So for example, if you wanted to add some shadow to your text right here, you can go ahead and let's just go ahead and add some greenish slash turquoise or red text, red effects right there. In regards to shadow, you can go ahead here and you can curve it if you want. You can go ahead here and add stroke. Whatever the effects that you're looking to add, you can go ahead here and kind of play around with it just like that. So if you wanted to do that, there you go. There's some effects to your text. Very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can add effects to text here on Fotor. Thanks again for watching, and hope this video helps.